Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to download ESPN application on your mobile device. The ESPN application is your destination for ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN3, ESPNU, ESPN News, etc. and ESPN bases loaded networks. In order to download this application on your preferred mobile device is real easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and next open up your Play Store or App Store. Bring up the search bar and type in ESPN app and hit the enter, and you can see the ESPN application over here. Just click on install. It might take a while to install depending upon the internet. Wait for installation. Now the ESPN application has been installed. Just click on open. Now you will be taken to this kind of interface. Now you can enjoy the application by signing up. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.